As a futurist, I'm often asked how I and others failed to predict the possibility of a virus capable of transforming the world. Actually, I think my mistake was a little bit different. I underestimated how the AI-powered future that I thought was going to arrive by 2030 would and could end up being brought forward to the present. Digital transformation used to be a question of strategy. Now, for many of us, it's a case of simple and pure survival. COVID-19 is not only changing our way of life, it will usher in a radical new future of work. While many of us are experiencing the challenges of now working remotely, that is only the beginning of a much bigger transformation that will fundamentally restructure the nature of business itself. Every business will need to virtualize. We are likely to experience in the next 12 months a decade's worth of change. Not every business will make it, but those that do will never be the same again. And for leaders, now is the moment that we have to reevaluate our capabilities, upgrade our skills, and transform our mindsets. If you look back at history, pandemics have always had a profound impact on the structure of society. So many men were incapacitated by the Spanish flu of 1918 that women were forced to join the workforce, take positions of responsibility and leadership, which ultimately set the stage for universal suffrage and the right to vote. Something very similar happened in the 14th century with the Black Death that devastated most of Europe. It accelerated the use of labor-saving technologies in agriculture. It led to the wider dispersal of technical knowledge and ultimately the breakdown of the feudal system, which led to the Italian Renaissance and that incredible flowering of knowledge, art and culture. So now that we're in our own civilization scale event, will we also have a renaissance when all of this ends? Well, that'll be up to us and the decisions we make now and how we use this time. Being a future-proof organization is more than just getting through this crisis. It's about being ready for the world that awaits us on the other side. We have to reinvent how we serve our customers, clients, and communities. We have to rethink how and where we work. And most importantly, we have to reimagine our role as leaders. Now, more than ever, is a time for transformation.